fourth placer, we have 5,000 pesos. For the third placer, we have 7,000 pesos. For the second placer, we have 10,000 pesos. And for the first placer or champion, naka-receive sila of 50,000 pesos. And for the volleyball, once again, nakadawat sila of consolation at 2,000 pesos. For the fourth placer, 3,000 pesos. For the third placer, we have 7,000 pesos. And for the first placer or champion, 10,000 pesos. Alright, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Sa sports. Yes, o dili po day nato kalimtan ever. No, daghan kaayong salamat. Unang-una kay Ma'am Imelda Villas nga siya gyud ang isupport